Hello, Gordon. But on the surface, he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting.
Hello, it has been a while. So today we are going on our maiden voyage in Clarence. We have decided to go to the Brecon Beacons to go and walk. Oh, can't see anything there. To go and walk the Four Waterfalls Walk. Found a nice campsite, very close to it. So yeah, we're just getting prepped now. We're both a bit nervous, but yeah, everything is all good. Clarence is ready to go. He's had his leisure battery fitted, so he's all good to rock and roll. This is how he's looking at the moment.
Good start.
Good start.
That's a very good start. Please stay safe, everyone. Don't move. I velcroed you down.
Okay, first things first.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go. So Sainsbury's to get some chairs.
Sainsbury's to get some chairs. The Range to return the jerry can.
Yep.
And then to also get some lights. No movements.
No movements.
The ginger nuts are still intact. That's the most important.
This entire field through here to ourselves. Yeah, she just realised there's no shower, which I definitely told her. She's a little bit sad about that, so we're shirty.
I'd say maybe let's do pub tomorrow after the walk with
Good
Mercedes and
shout.
Rosa.
Yeah, that's a good shot. So we're just testing out sleeping configurations.
This is a good angle for you to be filming me at. I need to stop wearing this jumper though. I'm wearing this jumper in every single vlog that we do.
Yeah, you are. Yeah, it's a bit windy up there. Part of me thinks we may have to put it down.
Yeah, I think we might have to. It's very loud.
It is very loud.
Thank you.
Yeah.
How much is it for a night?
£25? It's not too bad, yeah.
Is it just a cafe and stuff over here as well?
Yeah, literally, yeah, so the cafe there, we just put there, so yeah.
Nice one, cheers.
What are you guys up to?
We're at another site down the road, yeah.
Oh, nice,
Down
okay.
as well, yeah.
Have you done the Waterfalls Walk?
No, we're going to do that tomorrow.
Oh yeah, we're doing it tomorrow as
well.
well.
Yeah, nice one, yeah.
It's a good thing today was a holiday because I don't know what I would have done with ice cream.
Should we do it then?
Sounds
5
good.
o'clock. Did you bring the crisp? Oh no, I thought those were crispy onions. Shame. I was about to get really excited.
I just got very excited because my wife remembered to bring beer. Yes, she did.
What are you cooking up?
Just some leftover corned beef rice.
That's lovely.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh, it was a cold one last night. Very cold. like
Sleeping like this.
my face is the coldest thing right now. You had your jumper above you. Let's try and summon. So Chloe's bought a shiwi. So let's see how this goes. She's wheeling like a man. It's working though. Gotta do a little shake at the end just to get rid of it. There you go. Nice. Smashed it. Okay, so time to make some breakfast.
So, coming at you live from our field in Wales. Hello, Gordon. And this is, yep, this is it. Really, I should do this. I should film while I'm doing the shiwi, shouldn't I?
One and two, please.
So this is us before the hike.
My one. Where's your? Where are you visual? That's okay there, here you go. How do we feel?
Yeah, that was fun.
Yeah?
I want to do it again.
You want to remember the shot anymore?
Sorry.
Oh, God. What's on the menu tonight, then?
So we are making I'm making some caramelised onion sausage pasta with tomato and basil sauce.
Beautiful, good old Baz.
Rigatoni. And then we are just having a nice cold beer. So I'll just open that.
Struggling there. That little push then.
Like such a goblin right now. Oh, you moved it?
Yeah.
Oh, well done. Okay.
It is bedtime on night 2. We shall see you in the morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
So, packing up. Last night was a lot better than the night before, I thought.
Still freezing.
Very, very cold, but yep. And yeah, we've woken up to a beautiful day, so we're going to go and see my dad and my sisters today. 2 of my sisters anyway. And yeah, then go head back home. This one's going to drive Clarence out of the field.
Yep, I am indeed.
She's a driver
I'm
now.
a pro now.
We'll
Call
see
me
how
Lewis
that
Hamilton.
goes.
Can't stop me.
You're not there yet. Not there yet.
Not yet.
You can turn now, you don't have to go too far. Reckon you got them going through the gate as well?
Yeah, why not?
Just use your mirrors.
Yeah. Yes! Come on, Chloe! Right, don't forget the husband. Made it to Barry.
Made it to Barry.
We are now officially on Barry Island.
We are, well, technically Sully,
Oh,
but it's down the road from Barry.
do you think we'll be able to go to Nessa's arcade?
Well, potentially.
It's beautiful here.
Thing is, they'd have the scraps, so they have to make stuff. So the fish was salted, so it could be preserved.
It was preserved, that's what I said in the car.
Yeah, that's it. So that's the reason. But then, to cook it, you have to unsalt it a bit because it might be a bit too salty.
Okay.
First thoughts.
Yeah, it's really nice. It's very salty. Yeah. It looks a bit like a jackfruit.
It does look like a jackfruit. It looks like mango, but like
Yeah.
definitely isn't.
You have to just put it in your mouth and chew it. that's the only way you're going to try it. You can't be thinking what does it taste like.
I'll maybe try some when you do the chicken.
What do you mean when I do the chicken?
Like I need like a chicken chaser. Yeah.
No, have a fried dumpling chaser.
See, I'm not the biggest fan of fried dumplings either. I grew up in Stratford-upon-Avon.
I know, but you have West Indian genes in you.
Yeah, I know, but just
Specifically
not that
Jamaican.
much. Just not that much Jamaican food in me. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it took a while for you to drink coffee, George, so I'm not giving up.
Exactly.
Clarence's parents have a real good family. You called your band Clarence.
Yeah, but I'm not going to be able to not hear that anymore.
His palms are sweaty. These weak arms are heavy. There's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti. He's nervous.
Keep going.
But I thought you were gonna go. But on the surface, he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. Whole crowd grows so loud. He opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's choking now. Everybody's choking now. The clock's run out. Time's up. Over. Snap back to reality.
So good.
Yeah, you know the content. Clip farmer right here.
I was going to say.
Clip farmer right here.
At the moment we don't, right? Because the guy that sold it to us only had 1 jerry can. You haven't got so we only water and
What is she doing? What do you think?
It is top notch. I love the youth coffee and the sugar.
Yep.
Incredible.
And now here's Dad with his big camper van. Did you get bored looking at everyone else's van? Let's get yours out. Okay.